Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's May 21st, 2024, and I'm over in the Eastern Garden plot where some of the new blueberry plants are, the honeyberries that are getting stool mounded or propagated, making many plants out of one plant. And we have our Heritage Red raspberry plant. And today Thea and I are going to dig up the red raspberry plants, and Thea's going to pot them up into pots after we get them dug up. The way that I go about doing this is I'll use a tree spade. So you can see it's a pretty long blade on the shovel, a short-handled tool. Is this a Fiskar? I can't remember which one it is. And what we'll do is we'll separate the roots, because these are root suckers that come up from it. And when we want these in here, I want to have them in a single straight line. And you can see some of them start to come off on the sides of the plant, the sides of the row where I want them. If they come up in between the other plants in the row, that's just fine. But the ones that come off to the side, they'll get in the way. This variety is Heritage Red raspberry plants. They're delicious. Some people would refer to them as ever-bearing plants. They go ahead and produce berries from July through September. Big, delicious berries, easy to care for. They don't need string support unless it's underneath a tree and you get the big heavy snowfall. So they do really, really well in this climate. The only problem we've ever had with our Heritage Red raspberry plants is the spotted winged Drosophila fly. So a fruit fly that can start to get to them before you pick the berries, and can be an issue. And I made a video before on making the traps for the spotted winged Drosophila and all. But we've got so many different predatory birds and other insects in this area. We haven't had the problems in years now. Thea just went to get Suki. How's it going, hon?
I haven't got Suki yet. You have a lot of stuff in it, so I have to shove everything to the front.
Okay, so we're gonna get ready doing the transplants and we'll see how this goes. So I'm gonna go ahead, and since there's these new shoots are coming up in parallel and this one is off to the side, chances are that the root coming off here will be right about in here. So I'm going to take this, and hopefully this camera is working like this. I just want to sever the roots wherever they're coming from. Then what I do is I get down here, pull it away, get my fingers underneath the unit, and I can feel a deep root down below. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn on the Klez pruner. Hand this off to Thea, and Thea will put it in the next spot.
Okay.
And might as well get the dandelion while I'm here. So this one's coming off probably from right over here, so go ahead. You can actually feel and hear it when they do pop. So we try to keep some of the soil with it. Makes it easier for potting them up. You can see there's small raspberry plants are going to come out right up over in here. As close as they are to the main plant, that's best. To the line, rather. All right. So I'm going to cut this one out separate from the rest there. So it's got pretty good roots established there. So this is halfway through May right now. And I think what I'll do is I'll come right up here. Sever between these two. That's how much root is on this one. I damaged that one quite a bit, but let's see if we can get, and there's more. So these are the plants that we just dug up from in spots that we don't want the red raspberries growing up in the aisle and all. Dug up quite a few weeds as well. Thea's going to take these bins over to the coop area, and what are you going to do?
I am going to pot them up like I did the other ones yesterday. This is more than yesterday. Yesterday we got 34 plants, so we're probably going to get at least 50
Yep.
out of this. And we use some of our compost soil and then mix a little of the what's it called? Miracle-Gro.
Mycorrhizal fungi you're talking about?
No, the Miracle-Gro soil,
Oh,
that we got. Just some of that in there because it has some extra nutrients and stuff. And give them the best chance possible.
And we did have the drip irrigation on last night, so the soil is nice and moist. She'll be watering them over there as she's doing it, and then after she gets them done, and then you'll keep them inside the coop area there for
48 hours until I know their leaves are upright. And we're supposed to have like 87 and 90 degrees tomorrow. It's too hot to put them out then.
Yeah.
But Thursday it's going to be in the 70s, so that's doable for them.
Good. Excellent. All right, hon. Thank you.
All right. I'll see you later, guys.
So, a few of the dandelions. With those roots and all, I try to dig those up, and you can see there's a bunch there in the driveway. Some that I didn't make all the way over the fence line. But what I'm going to do now, before mulching, the next thing, I got to turn this camera off. I just have a couple more weeds to get out of here, and then what I'll do is come in with some of the leaf mold and fill in any of the voids that I've got or any low spots. Lots of nutrients in that mixture, and that'll just add to the soil here because there's already microbes in there. Then I'll probably pull the drip tapes back and then mulch like I did here. It is starting to get warm now, so we'll see how things work out. Hopefully we'll get some more accomplished, but we at least got those out, and Theo will get those potted up today, so that's excellent. So onward and upward on a nice warm day. Okay, we got the raspberries dug up from each side of each one of these raspberry permanent raised beds, and then I came back through with some leaf mold, which we broke down since last fall. We got the leaves last fall, and I have videos on that. So we did that here, and we'll see how Thea's doing over there in the coop area. See how that's going. So here's Suki on the north side of the building. That she transported the red raspberries over here. Oh, here she is now.
What's going on?
Oh my God!
You came to visit.
Yes, we came to see you in action, honey.
Oh, well, I'll do one right now then. So, this was the smaller of the 3 of these in volume,
Yeah.
and there are 23 in this one. And I put some soil on the bottom, and then I put plants in each, and then I have mixed up some of that bag of Miracle Grow and our regular compost soil, and just kind of hold her up and go around, shake it so it gently covers the roots and divvies it out through the pot. That. Press her down good, because roots like to be snug in their bed. And then I usually make a label, and then I come over this way, so we might as well go behind Kevin to our mulch area, of which I'm going to have to fill up that other bucket over here. And you tell them about the mulch.
Yep, the double ground hardwood bark mulch.
Okay. That we get a big truckload full in the springtime. And just even that around the top. Gently press it down. Then I would attach the label to it. I just have to make them now. And move on. Now these are the ones we did yesterday. Timmy's here again. And Blackie. And so these are the 34 we did last night. And they were a little droopy last night, but look how they've come back, you know.
Excellent. Very
And
good.
so after I put the label on it, I give them a good douse of water. And then we'll keep them here for several days until we know they're happy.
That's right. Very good, hon. Great job.
That's what's going on in here.
All right. Well, you want to tell everybody thanks for watching and all?
Absolutely. So you guys have a great day, and thank you again for watching. And if you'd like to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, that'll even make us smile more.
All right, folks. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves and have a great day.
Bye-bye, guys.